senses. My wonderful man, my marvellous man, my joy, my pride, my delight, the last page of my life. If you leave me for a single hour, I will never survive it. I will go mad. My wild and desperate man, my magnificent man, my sovereign lord. Why do you want to come in? Well, let them. I am not ashamed of my love for you. You want to behave like a lunatic, but I won't let you. And I don't want you to. You are mine. You are mine. That brow of yours is mine, and those eyes are mine, and that lovely silken hair is mine. You are all mine. You are such a talented man. You're such an intelligent man. You're the finest writer alive today. You are the sole hope of Russia. You have so much simplicity and sincerity and freshness and wholesome humour. It is... Your characters live and breathe. With one stroke you're able to convey the essence of a person or a landscape. Impossible to read you without delight. You think that this is all mere incense at your altar? That I'm flattering you? Look into my eyes. Look into them. Do I look like a liar? See for yourself. I am the only one who can appreciate you. The only one who tells you the truth. My sweet, my marvel. You will come away. You won't abandon me.
Oh, I've no will of my own. Never had a will of my own. Flabby, crumbling, endlessly submissive. Is that really what pleases the woman? Pick me up, carry me up. Just don't let me out of your sight for an instant.
Anyway, you can stay if you want to. I will go and you can follow in a week. There's really no reason for you to hurry, is there?
No, we'll go together.
Just as you like. Together. All right? Together. What's that?
I heard a rather nice turn of phrase this morning. Virgin's voice. Might come in handy. So we're going to be travelling. Stations and carriages again. Station restaurants. Station couplets.
I have to inform with the utmost regret that the horses are ready. It's time to let you go to the station. The train arrives at 5 minutes after 2. And don't forget, if he'd be so kind as to inquire as to the whereabouts the active soldiers are. Is he alive and well? We used to go drinking together once upon a time. His performance in the Great Maroc was beyond compare. At that time, as I recall, he was working with Trigorin Ismailov, another remarkable character. And I don't know his stuff, really, we've got 5 minutes yet. I remember once in some melodrama, and they were playing conspirators. And on suddenly being discovered, he was supposed to say, caught like rats in a trap. Ismailov says, caught like traps in a rat. Traps in a rat.
You're very sweet.
Oh, well, that's very kind of you.
Goodbye, my dear. If anything was not as it should have been, then please forgive me.
Oh, well, everything was fine. Everything was fine. Only you mustn't start crying.
I'm not right now.
Well, what can we do?
It's time to go. We can't be late when all's said and done. I'm going to get in.
Get a walk to the station and see you off.
Goodbye then, my dears. We'll meet again next summer if we're spared. Don't forget me. Oh, and where is Konstantin? Will you tell him I'm leaving? I must say goodbye to him. Well, remember me kindly. Oh.
I've forgotten my stick. I think I left it on the veranda. There you are. We're leaving.
Fuck me, remind. Once and for all. I'm going on the stage. I'm abandoning everything. I'm getting away from my father. I'm starting a new life. I'm leaving, just like you, from Moscow. We shall see each other there.
Stay at the Slovaksky Bazaar. Let me know as soon as you arrive. Grogolski's house. Molchanovka. I must hurry. You're so lovely. What joy it is to think I shall be seeing you again before. I shall see those marvellous eyes again, this inexpressibly lovely, tender smile, these gentle features, this look of angelic innocence.